this thing on? Say nah. Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. So it's been a long time, no see. So today is just gonna be like a day in the life. I just got back from vacation yesterday. I was on vacation for a week. I went to Chicago. So I've been busy. Other than just like this week, just like the last 6 months, I've been like laying low. But I'm back and I'm happy to see y'all. I'm happy that y'all watching this video. Like I said, I just got back from vacation yesterday, and while I was on vacation, one of my clients texted me about a shirt order for 50 shirts. And since I was on vacation already spending money, I was like, yeah, of course I'll do it. I told her that I was on vacation already. She do need the shirts, which is today. I just got back last night. But when I was on vacation, she needed the shirts within like a week. Told her I was still on vacation. I could bring her the shirts once I get off of vacation. Of course, since I'm in Chicago on vacation, I can't print the shirts myself. So I ordered some Jiffy shirt transfers, and we shall see how that goes. I never ordered DCFs from Jiffy shirt. So I ordered those while I was on vacation. I ordered the shirts while I was there too. So everything came to the house while I wasn't there. So I'm going to give you guys my first impression on the Jiffy DTFs basically in this video. We're going to do the shirt order. Right now I'm on my way to the market, so I could just start eating like normal vacation food. Kind of makes me like kind of sick, like from eating out so much. So I need to go back to eating at home, eating in the house. So that's what we're about to do. We're about to go to Trader Joe's, grab some food for lunch and dinner. It's Sunday, so I have to cook like a Sunday dinner. Yeah, so that's that. We're going to the market. I still got my freaking luggage in the back seat. Like, I didn't do nothing. I'm not that person that even unpack my suitcase. I'll unpack that suitcase for like the next month. It's like, no, but oh my god, I'm ashy. But alright, y'all, to Trader Joe's to do these orders, get back to work, get back to being a productive, adult, and I'll see you guys at Trader Joe's. Alright, so I don't know if it's the early bird gets the worm or everybody already did their food shopping, but it's nobody in this parking lot. I'm so excited because I'm kind of one of the people that's scared to vlog like when there's a whole bunch of people around. That's why I'm excited. I'm gonna put y'all on to something. If y'all see these in your Trader Joe's, get them. They taste like you see they got only unlimited too, but they taste like the Mick whatever things from McDonald's that they put the pancake sandwich on. Good as crap. Hey y'all, so we back in the house and I do got the transfers. I had to pre-cut them. They just came like on a giant sheet. So this one is the 6x6, and then this is a 10.5 by 10.5. Pretty simple transfers. My only problem is they didn't come with the instructions, so I do have to go online and look for the pressing instructions. But let me just show y'all them real quick. Simple, like regular DTF transfers. Nothing really special. They got white on the back, if you could really see it, and then the color profile is pretty simple. Nothing to be hype about. I will order probably these again, like if I'm ever in a pinch or like last minute or anything. They was a little expensive, probably like a little bit more than usual. I think like probably like $2 a print, but it was worth it because I couldn't do it. And guys, I wanted to also tell you guys about like just looking for business outside of like Etsy and TikTok and all of that stuff. Like I know that stuff does well, but it doesn't do well all the time. Like I found this client from just asking about people with businesses and daycares and stuff like that, and I actually found her, and I do her orders to her daycare about 3 times a year. So it's really convenient. You get these $500-$600 orders 3 times a year, and you can network with as many businesses as possible. Try to look for like pizza stores. I know that's a good one. Other daycares, just small businesses. Give them a service that they definitely need. Everybody needs branding. But that's enough of that. That was just a little tip. Look for businesses in your area and service them with your t-shirts and embroidery and stuff like that. But let's get to pressing these because these are due tomorrow, and it's about 50 of them that I gotta do. Alright, so I finished pressing all of them. These are all of the kids, toddler, and youth. And then in this box I have adults. These have the second press. And I started to package them all up. So I finished packaging and folding the adult shirts. I just gotta do the same for the kids. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel.